Click on Windows icon on bottom left corner. And type Disk Cleanup. Click on Disk Cleanup and select the drive you want to clean. And it will analyze the data in the drive and open a window to select which is need to be erased. Select items and click on OK button. Right on taskbar and click on Task Manager. And go to Startup tab. Disable your unwanted app. Click on Windows icon in bottom left corner. And type Settings. Click on Settings and click on Privacy from Windows Settings. And select Background Apps from the left sidebar.